Hi, my name is Vaishnavi Sriram and I stay in Thane and I'm a singer, composer, music producer, professionally into this career. I keep performing and performing is something that I love being on stage. So earlier where I used to stay, right, there was dentic clinic over there and I had I had a lot of pain in my tooth at that time. I was a bit young and I wanted to just like go to a doctor immediately and I went into dentic and that's it. I came to know about it that way. So I just directly walked into the clinic and yeah, and now I've been like always going to dentic since then. I really felt that it was very systematic and thorough because I was a bit nervous. I was having a lot of like issues with my tooth and I couldn't smile. I felt like I wouldn't be able to smile because I have to face the camera. And to face the camera, I have to have a good smile to be on stage and people clicking pictures on the stage. I was always conscious because my tooth was not, all right, and it was always paining. And it wouldn't look good as a performer. It doesn't look good. You have to be on camera. So, and when I came to the clinic, I met Dr. Simran, and she was kind enough to look at me and look at my tooth and examine everything and give me a really comfortable consultation, tell me every step as to how it's going to go. And I did not feel confused even for a second. I'm always scared of dentists. Okay, so because especially the injection, so it is a bit scary for me, the anesthesia. So I was like, I don't know what's going to happen. I came and I was like, okay, first treatment, it started. And especially when Dr. Abhirav started the treatment for me, I thought it's going to be so painful, so painful. I didn't realize a thing. It was pain-free. The entire experience was like, मुझे कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या मतलब मुझे दुख रहा है नहीं दुख रहा है कुछ नहीं था. I was like, okay, I can even sleep in that. It was really comfortable. I did not feel any pain. So earlier, as Dr. Simran knows, when we met, I was not used to my new smile. Although I did really like it. It was something different and I've grown to really like it now. I really love this look. It's much better than what it was before because I didn't remember what it was to like properly like have that smile. And I looked at my older pictures and I look at me now, I feel like it is actually the same. It was not different, it was the same thing. And I was like, because of that tooth issue, I started assuming that this was my smile. But then I realized when I looked at my younger pictures, I really had the same smile, what I have right now post the treatment. So I wanted to eat sweet or laddu, tilgud, वो सब तो वैसे नहीं हो रहा था खाने और वो nibble करके I was eating. And I was scared, but then it has become easier for me. My schedule is like all over the place and Dr. Simran was really, you adjusted so much. Like, okay, you have a show, okay, and you would keep tabs with me, we would keep checking on me, like, acha, okay, how do we schedule? The scheduling was so smooth. And I was afraid कि कितना time जाएगा इसको because so many treatments were there, right? So I was a bit nervous कि अच्छा लंबा जाएगा क्या? But then काफ़ी speed में हम लोग ने सारे treatments कर पाए and even the staff, even the reception staff, everyone were like really welcoming and they helped me with scheduling. I think this is like the best place to be, to get treated and you can have the biggest smile after that.